Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on legacy overlay on Discord. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into user settings. Now in the user settings, you have to scroll down until you see the activity section. Now we want to go to game overlay, and here we will have enable legacy overlay. As you guys can see, you can just turn it off. Now it is turned off, and we will have the new overlay, and here we have the legacy overlay. So as you guys can see, we can override this for the games and etc., but now it is enabled. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.